Welcome back to the Natural English Channel, your daily English practice. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Oliver. So happy you're here today. We post a brand new conversation every single day. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. You don't want to miss one.
So, Oliver, how's your week going?
Okay, so something happened at work this week, and I need to tell you about it.
Already? What happened?
So, Sarah and I were in a meeting, and after the meeting, someone asked, "Did you enjoy that presentation?" And Sarah said, "I didn't enjoy it very much." And I wanted to agree with her, so I said, "Me either."
And?
Sarah looked at me very quietly, very professionally, and said, "I think you mean me neither, Oliver." And my whole face just dropped, like my cheeks went straight to the floor in front of the whole team.
Sarah corrected you in front of everyone.
In front of everyone. And the worst part, I didn't even know why she was right. I just nodded like I understood and went back to my desk.
And spent the rest of the day wondering why.
The rest of the day and half the night.
Well, Oliver, today we fix that. And here's the thing. You are actually closer than you think. Either and neither. Two words, both used when you agree with something negative, both incredibly common, and one very clear difference between them. And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Sarah is going to be so proud.
Let's start with the basics. When someone says something negative in English and you want to agree, you have two natural ways to do it. Me neither or neither do I. Both use neither and both mean I also don't. I also didn't. I also can't.
Oh, so neither is for agreeing with negatives.
Exactly. Someone says, I don't like Mondays. You say, me neither, or neither do I. Same meaning, two different ways to say it.
Me neither, neither do I. Both work.
Both completely natural. Me neither is more casual. Neither do I is slightly more formal. But both correct, both used constantly by native speakers. Now, either. Either in this context means also, but it only appears at the end of a negative sentence. I don't like it either. I didn't enjoy the presentation either. The either comes at the end, and the sentence is already negative.
Oh, so either goes at the end of a negative sentence, and neither goes at the beginning or in me neither.
Exactly. Think of it like this. Neither is a flag. You plant it at the front. Me neither. Neither do I. It announces immediately, same here, also no. Either is a tag. You attach it at the end. I don't like it either. It adds on to a negative sentence that's already there.
Ah, wow. Neither is a flag, either is a tag. One goes at the front, one goes at the end.
And that's the whole secret. Where they go in the sentence tells you everything. Now, let's put them side by side. Someone says, I haven't seen that movie yet. You want to agree. With neither, me neither, or neither have I. With either, I haven't seen it either.
Same meaning, completely different position. Me neither at the front, I haven't seen it either at the end.
Exactly. Same message, different road. Now, someone says, I can't come to the party on Friday. You also can't come. With neither, me neither, or neither can I. With either, I can't come either.
Me neither, neither can I can't come either. All three mean the same thing.
All three correct, all three natural. And here's something important. You can never use either at the beginning of a sentence in this context, and you can never use neither at the end of a sentence in this context.
So, I either don't like it, wrong?
Wrong in this context. Either at the beginning to agree with a negative doesn't work. It has to be at the end of a complete negative sentence, and neither at the end, I don't like it neither, also wrong.
I don't like it neither, wrong. Me neither, correct. I don't like it either, correct.
Perfect. Flag at the front, tag at the end. Never swap them. Now, formality, because these words work differently depending on the situation.
Okay, so which one is more formal?
Me neither is casual, perfect for texts and everyday conversation. Lucas texts you, I'm not going to the gym today. You write back, me neither. Instant, natural, casual.
Me neither. 2 words, done.
Neither do I, neither can I, neither have I. These are slightly more formal, perfect for professional conversations. Sarah says in a meeting, I don't think this approach is working. You say, neither do I, actually. Confident, professional, clear.
Neither do I. That sounds so much more considered, more professional than me neither.
Exactly. And I don't either works everywhere, casual and professional. I don't agree either. I haven't finished either. Neutral and natural at every level.
So me neither for casual, neither do I for professional, and I don't either for everything in between.
Perfect summary. Now, fixed expressions, because native speakers use these constantly without thinking.
Hit me.
Me neither, the most common way to agree with a negative in casual English. I don't understand this. Me neither.
Me neither. Simple. Instant. I use that all the time.
Neither do I. More formal version. I don't think that's a good idea. Neither do I, actually.
Neither do I. More weight, more considered.
Not either. Agreeing by adding to a negative sentence. I'm not ready. I'm not ready either.
I'm not ready either. The either just attaches like a tag.
Exactly. Neither of us. Talking about two people, both in the negative. Neither of us knew the answer. Neither of us was ready.
Oh, neither of us. That's so useful. Not me and not the other person.
And either of them. Used in questions and negatives about two options. I don't like either of them. Did either of them call?
Either of them. So when you're talking about 2 options and neither one works, I don't like either of them.
Exactly. Not one, not the other. Either of them covers both. These expressions, me neither do I, not either, neither of us, either of them, use them immediately. They come up in every conversation.
Me neither is going in my pocket right now.
Now, error check. The mistakes that come up most often.
Ready.
Wrong. I don't like it neither.
I don't like it either. Neither can't go at the end. Either goes at the end of a negative sentence.
Good. Wrong. Me either.
Me neither. In casual agreement with a negative, it's always me neither, never me either.
Exactly. And this, Oliver, is exactly what happened in your meeting.
Me either? Wrong. Me neither? Correct. Sarah was absolutely right.
She always is. Wrong. Neither I like it.
Neither do I like it. Actually, that doesn't work either. It should be neither do I, or I don't like it either. Neither needs the do, does, can, have structure after it.
Perfect. Neither do I. Neither can I. Neither have I. Always with the auxiliary verb. Never neither I alone.
Neither I alone, never. Got it.
Before the quiz, one thing. If you've been saying me either your whole life, you are not alone. It is one of the most common mistakes in everyday English. And the fact that Sarah corrected Oliver and that Oliver is here telling you about it means you never have to make that mistake again.
Yeah, and honestly, thank you, Sarah, even if my cheeks hit the floor in that meeting.
Sarah did you a favor. Quiz time. This one works as a mini dialogue. I'll say something negative. You respond naturally using either or neither, and we'll build a little conversation.
Oh, interesting. Okay, ready.
I didn't sleep well last night.
Me neither. Max kept walking on me at 3 in the morning.
I haven't had breakfast yet this morning.
Neither have I. I was running late.
I don't really enjoy rush hour traffic.
I don't enjoy it either. It's the worst part of the day, honestly.
I can't believe how fast this week went.
Neither can I. It feels like Monday was 5 minutes ago.
I haven't finished my report yet.
I haven't finished mine either. Maybe we should both panic together.
I don't think Max understands that we have work to do.
Neither do I. He thinks my desk is just a place I sit near him.
6 exchanges, every single one correct. Me neither, neither have I don't either, neither can I haven't either, neither do I. All 6 structures, all natural, all perfect.
You know, either and neither have been like 2 light switches in a dark room my whole life. I kept flipping the wrong one, and now I finally know. Neither is the switch on the left. You flip it first, and the light comes on immediately. Either is the switch on the right. The room is already lit, and you just add a little more.
2 light switches, one on the left, one on the right, and now you know exactly which one to reach for.
And the room is never dark again.
Let's lock it in. Vocabulary review.
Let's go.
Neither. Agree with a negative. Plant the flag at the front. Me neither. Neither do I. Neither can I. Neither have I. Repeat after us. Neither.
Neither.
Slowly. Neither. Neither.
Neither is the flag. Planted at the front. Use it with do, does, can, have after it. Or just say me neither for instant casual agreement with a negative.
Either. Agree with a negative. Attach the tag at the end. I don't like it either. I haven't finished either. I can't come either. Repeat after us. Either.
Either.
Slowly. Either. Either.
Either is the tag. Attach it at the end of a complete negative sentence. Never at the beginning for agreement. Never me either.
Fixed expressions. Me neither. Casual instant agreement with a negative. Neither do I. More formal agreement. Not either. Adding agreement to a negative sentence. Neither of us. Both people in the negative. Either of them. Neither option works. Repeat after us. Me neither.
Me neither.
Neither do I.
Neither do I.
Not either.
Not either.
Neither of us.
Neither of us.
Either of them.
Either of them.
And the golden rule? Neither is the flag, planted at the front. Either is the tag, attach it at the end. 2 light switches. Now you always know which one to reach for.
Neither at the front, either at the end. The room is never dark again.
Come back to this review and say these phrases out loud with us. Me neither, neither do I don't either. Say them until they feel automatic. That is how language becomes yours.
And Sarah, if you're listening, neither of us knew I was going to learn this from you in that meeting. So thank you, genuinely.
The best lessons come from the most unexpected moments. And if you enjoyed this episode, you are going to love our last video where we talked about rather and prefer, 2 words that also mean the same thing but work in completely different ways, just like either and neither. Go watch it right after this. The link is in the description.
I'd rather watch it now than wait, and neither of us would regret it.
Perfect. All right. Question for you. Write a sentence in the comments using either or neither about something real in your life today. We read every single one.
And if this helped, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone who has been saying me either their whole life. Neither of us should keep making that mistake. Send them this.
See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye. And me neither. I don't want this episode to end either.
Both correct, Oliver. Goodbye, everyone.